competing interest. Prepare a timetable for the auditor. If you can, it helps.
Il seminario da hobby informativo. Nós está assim diferente audit cabo de Travelife. Então, esse senhor explica precies como tem que preparar para audit aqui. Nós está ajuda nós bom sobre nós está safe basta energia riba kutukos. Nós staff está contente sobre nós aplicar também rules na casa. Nós está sentindo que nós está ajuda Aruba para produzir menos waste, usa mais produto local, então nós está tudo aí, nós está mais consciente com a energia que nós usa. Sobre nós tem hotel com cinco diferentes hotéis na Aruba, são quase 1000 câmaras, nós temos impacto basta grande riba uso de consumo na Aruba. A AHATA sempre ajuda nós com toda a informação que está available. Nós está para semana pelo menos informação de não, lo qual comporta, por exemplo, tsunami warnings, nós temos trainings para de não, nós manda também invitation para Saki, então a AHATA ajuda nós bom com informação com o local que nós ministério.
My presentation was in regards to Travelife's tour operator partners and how Travelife fits into their sustainability strategy. So how Travelife brings economic and social benefits to hotels and the surrounding area. So our hotels in Aruba, I think Travelife has fit in quite well because there's so many of our hotel partners are doing so many amazing environmental initiatives, and they're kind of as some of our hoteliers that have come to this session has said that certain things such as Legionella, there are no real water regulations, but hoteliers are actually going out of their way to test for things such as Legionella, so I think that's actually quite positive, and I think that Travelife has had quite a good impact.
Well, it's been a great time. It's been really good to meet with all of the hoteliers here and see what they're doing in the areas of sustainability. So I'm quite excited to see how Aruba moves forward in this area. I think the presentation was well received. I love the fact that hoteliers were able to ask a lot of questions, and they seemed quite interested in how they can improve their sustainable practices. So I thought it went very, very well. For instance, in the area of waste, they still actually can reduce quite a lot of waste at source by reducing some of the things that they use, packaging and so on. So I'm still optimistic that they will be able to do some of those things.
Visiting Aruba has been amazing so far. My presentation was just about the general overview of Travelife, how we work with industry, how we work with hotels in Aruba, and how we can help them achieve Travelife Gold certification. I've worked at Travelife for 7 years, and during that time we've always had hotels in Aruba. Even though we have quite a small number of hotels, they've always been very consistent in terms of how they achieve Travelife Gold certification. Year after year after year, they're always doing something that's really innovative, and I think for such a small island, they're doing really, really well.